Hello everybody, how you doing? My name is John and I'm a professional hairdresser. So for what else could we talk? Hair of course. And one of the most common problem is the frizzy hair. So today we're gonna see what frizzy hair is and how we can treat it. So let's begin and take one hair and put it under a microscope. There very quickly we're gonna realize the surface of the hair is not slick, has a cuticles, as we can see on the picture above. These cuticles, when are closed, they give us this beautiful glossy and shiny result, but when they're open, it gives us this dry and frizzy result. Now, you're gonna ask me why these cuticles are open, correct? Let's explain that. So, why the cuticles are open? One of the main reasons is dehydration. Basically the hair are dry and because of that they try to find water somewhere else. So they open the cuticles and they try to absorb the moisture, the water basically, from the atmosphere. That's why many times you say, oh my god, today is really humid, my hair it goes really frizzy. So what exactly your hair is telling you? Very simple. I'm really thirsty, give me some water. But why the hair goes dry? Well, many of the reasons. One, probably we don't take care of the hair correct at home, or we applying too much heat on the hair. Another reason can be the color and the bleach. Here is also good to say that curly and thick hair naturally they're a little bit more dry, so it tends to get frizzy a little bit easier. But let's begin and see 5 tips you can do at home and make your hair feels and look better again. So let's begin. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Our body is made of 60% of water, so drinking enough water during the day is not only moisturizing our body and keep our body healthy, but tip number 2. Use the correct shampoo. Regular shampoo dry out the hair, so using correct shampoo, something for a frizzy hair, will help you to maintain the moisture on your hair and keep your hair much healthier. And of course, we never forget condition. What? No condition? Really? You starting right now. It's not only moisturizing the hair and help us to brush the hair easier, but also bring the pH of the hair back to normal, which is about 4.4 to 5.5. This natural hair acidity prevents fungi and bacteria from growing in the hair and the scalp, leaving the cuticles closed and the hair healthy. Tip number 3 is the time to come out of the shower and towel dry your hair. How do? Do you scratching your hair a lot like that? It's good to stop that as well. By scratching and squeezing the hair too much, we're not only making the hair frizzy, but we can even break the hair. So really good is to be gentle with a towel and tap the hair very gentle until to remove the excess water. Tip number 4. Avoid products with alcohol. When we drink alcohol, it dehydrates our body. The same effect has on the hair when we apply on it. So my recommendation will be some leave-in condition, or even better, some oil. The oils, they deep moisturizing the hair, but also we can use them as a serum as well. We're finishing the styling and a very small amount, it will be enough to apply it on top and we have immediately shiny and glossy hair. Tip number 5. Minimize the heat we apply on the hair. Blow drying your hair every day and using hot tools such as flat iron or curly tongue is damaging the hair a lot. So minimize how many times a week we blow drying the hair, it will be a big gift for your hair. And of course, we never forget to use heat protection before we blow dry the hair or use any of the hot tools. And that was 5 simple but very important tips to treat your frizzy hair. So if you like this video, thumbs up and you know what else. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you on the next video.